Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's Sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general. May or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Virgo, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Virgo. Under the deck, Ace of Pentacles with Seven of Wands. I think there is stability in finances are coming. Definitely new beginnings, for some new beginnings in your career, especially financial stability for some new beginnings, new job, new career. And in relationship wise, you want this stability in your connection. Yes, but I think it is not happening. For some, you are in waiting mode. You don't want to give up on this connection. That is one case. And in another case, you are very defensive right now. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Six of Cups, Three of Wands and Queen of Wands. You are thinking about them a lot. This could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. Definitely waiting is involved in this connection. And you both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other. And Queen of Wands, I think you want to take your control back. Yes, even though you love this person so much, but you want your control in your hands. Yes, so that's why you are working on yourself in recent past and you are taking your control back. Then present, Six of Pentacles, the Magician and King of Cups. Someone is coming to offer their cup of love to you. This could be a new person for some it could be a past person, depending upon your situation. And Six of Pentacles, I think in this relationship there is no equal give and take, there is no partnership. Maybe you are manifesting stability and you will be in manifesting energy. Yes, you will manifest whatever you want. For some it will take very less time because there is no resistance. For some it takes so much time because due to resistance. Then future, Three of Swords, Seven of Cups and Eight of Swords. Maybe right now you are in separation, you are manifesting them, you are in waiting mode, you are heartbroken without this person. Maybe for some they cheated on you, lied to you. Virgo, definitely you are heartbroken and you are feeling stuck and you are confused. You are unable to let go of this person. You are confused. You feeling stuck. Eight of Swords energy and you are heartbroken. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius or Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Here a lot of water sign and earth energy. Sorry, air energy. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So under the deck, Ten of Wands. Maybe your person right now feeling overburdened. See the moon. Maybe the person involved in this connection could be Pisces. So their current feelings. Virgo. Ten of Cups. I think if you are in separation with this person, yes, they want reconciliation with you and they really want to work on this relationship and they want collaboration with you because Three of Pentacles with Three of Cups. For some third party situation involved in this connection. Here third party means it could be family, it could be friends. Yes. So it could be other man or woman also. So definitely for some, you both have some misunderstanding, some arguments between both of you. But still, your person want this happiness with you. They want reconciliation with you. These are their feelings. So let's see their intentions. Lot of water energy, guys. The person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. So let's see their intentions. Two of Swords. Six of Pentacles. Yes, I already told there is no equal give and take in this connection. Again, Ten of Cups with King of Cups. I think they really want to offer their cup of love to you. But right now your person is at some crossroads. They have to make some decision, but they are juggling. Maybe they are juggling between head over their heart. Definitely they have to make some decision, but they are unable to make right now. Yes. And Six of Pentacles. Yes, your person thinking about equal give and take. In past, in this relationship, there is no equal give and take. Maybe your person treating you as an option also. And death, yeah, for some it was ending, one type of ending between both of you, and the person involved in this connection could be especially Scorpio or Pisces. So they want new start with you. Yeah, for some it was ended, but they're still thinking about you. They still want to work on this relationship, and they want to offer their cup of love to you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. They're confused, but they still want you back in their life. Queen of Pentacles with Six of Swords, and under the deck Page of Pentacles, communication, Three of Wands. Yeah, waiting game is going between you and your person. Yeah, they want to share their feelings with you, and communication, they want to fix the things. Communication, they want to text you, they want to test the waters before coming towards you. They keep tabs on you, Virgo. Four of Wands. For some, you both could be in twin flame journey. Not for all, for some. And yes, you are also going to be make some major decision. I think you also want this person back into your life. You want commitment. You want marriage. Yes. Other than less, you don't want. Definitely, you want marriage. You want commitment. And you want celebration. I think you are also in the process of making decision, Virgo, because the judgment is here. For some, you are going through some legal issues also. Yeah, waiting period. I think you both are waiting on each other. You both still have hopes on each other. Definitely waiting. You both are waiting on each other, Virgo, and but you still have hopes. Yes, you both mirroring each other, and you both waiting for each other. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Virgo. Holding back. I want to express my love. Friendship. Lot of abundance is coming. I have too much going on my life. Communication is coming. So the messages are holding back. For some, maybe your person waiting for the right time. They are at some crossroads. That's why they are holding back. I want to express my love. Yes, they want to express their love. Friendship. For some, you both are very good friends. And for some, they are putting you in friendship zone. And they have too much going on their life. A lot of abundance is coming and communication is coming. So let's see some more messages for you, Virgo, from Moon Oracle deck. Work through your fears, New Moon in Scorpio. Be bold and make the first move, Cardinal Moon. So work through your fears. If you are going through some fears, so you have to work through and you have to overcome. And another message, be bold and make the first move. If you want to make a move towards your person, For some, this is the message for you. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.